Good morning everyone. I'm Dominic Velasco, 40 years old. Today I'm going to show you how to break down this half carcass pork here in Nuvali, Santa Rosa, Laguna, Philippines. First I'm going to remove the tenderloin. Second, rib shoulder and saddle. And the last part is the ham leg. And the saddle.